Ditching the road and exploring the great outdoors in your 4x4 is always going to make a mess, but you don't want to bring that mess into your garage. With a range of exterior cleaners from Ridge Ryder, cleaning your pride and joy after a proper adventure is quicker than ever before. Ridge Ryder Extreme Car Wash is specially formulated to clean 4x4 and adventure vehicles that are subjected to the harshest environments. It's easily able to tackle road grime, dirt, mud and bush dust and remove it before it can cause damage to your paintwork. Ridge Ryder Everyday Wash and Wax cleans your 4x4 but adds an extra layer of protection and shine thanks to a salt-free carnauba wax. Both Ridge Ryder car washes come as super concentrates and can make up to 50 washes, so you know you'll have enough to clean up after the messiest trails. For tougher dirt, such as bird droppings, bug splatter and road tar, as well as anything else that gets stuck on your paint and doesn't want to come off, the Ridge Ryder Heavy Duty Bug and Tar Remover is the thing you need. It's formulated to cut through even the most stubborn grime without damaging paint, plastics, fiberglass, metal or glass. With the Ridge Ryder exterior cleaners on your shelf, it's easier than ever to clean up your rig before you get back out there and get it dirty again.